How's it going, everyone? Today we're going over my trade recap for the day. Let's open pretty much what we had going on for the day. As you see, we had my trading checklists. I go through all this every morning before. Examples for stuff to look for. This is a trade that I ended up missing maybe last week, I think, and it has helped me reviewing these over the weekend into now being Tuesday. It's really good. I like having those up. It really helps. But yeah, go over here. We got the trading checklist. Go over that every morning. And then as far as today's trade, I did journal it on my Notion journal right here. We'll go through it. It was on US 100, and today's trade took 2 minutes. 2 minutes. As you can see, going today, I ended up having a bullish bias, and we'll go over that in a bit. Market conditions pretty sideways, a little bearish, but pretty much sideways. A scalping New York session on the 1 minute. We had displacement, SMT divergent. We had liquidity sweeps, inversions. But I did end up taking a sell, and again, I'll go over that in a little bit. Final TP got hit in 2 minutes. Setup grade, I would say, is A. Before trading, nothing really. Just had my pre-market ritual, stuff like that. Go through the checklist, do all the morning stuff, get in the right mindset. As far as why I took this trade, as I had a draw on liquidity that I knew 95% knew that it was going to get hit, just because I knew the overall trend was to go higher. So I knew in order to go higher, it needed to go lower to take out liquidity to then fuel to move up. The market gave a bearish SMT, extremely clear manipulation, causing me to short when I originally had a bullish bias. The trade hit my area of liquidity. I was targeting originally to take the buy. So we're going to be a quick 2-minute 1.6 RR trade. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the journal and the checklist. Let's get into the charts, and I'll show you kind of what I was thinking. So I'm a broke boy. I do not have replay, so I'll have to try and show you with all my markings and stuff already on the chart. As you can see, this is NAS. So going to the morning before pre-market at 9:30, right in here, we did have a bullish FEG. It was kind of trading into, whereas the US 500 did not. Market open right at 9 here, and it hadn't pushed into that 1 hour yet. But yeah, I was looking for bullish setups. I was waiting for it to come down, kind of sweep, get into the 1 hour on either indices, and then find that buy. So pretty much I marked out both of these 1 hours, took out that 1 hour, so I got rid of it, and then I have that 1 hour below. So going on to the lower time frames, what I ended up seeing, and again, don't have replay, but market started off by selling off, and I was like, okay, it's selling off. It wants to sweep some of this liquidity. We had London lows get taken out, and then we had Asia highs up here on the NAS that I was looking to target, and then Asia highs on US 500. Going into the day, I was bullish, and I was looking for buys on US 500 or ES. I was not really looking at taking any buys on NAS, as it was already trading into that 1 hour fair value gap. I just liked the buy setup more on ES. So had London lows, Asia highs. I was looking for it to take out the London lows, trade into the 1 hour, and then take buys up into the Asia highs. As you see, I did mark it out. I did not take this trade on my TopStep. So using my evaluation money, I took it on a demo account. As you can see here, I'll try and show you it. Took the buy, take profit, 1 and 2 got hit, and then yeah, the history. More or less just did this on a demo account just to test out the psychology, make sure I'm still trading in the right mindset. I don't usually like to take more than one trade, as long as if it's a winning trade, then I take only one. If it's a losing, maybe two. But let's get into why I took the sell first before taking the buy. Pretty much what I saw. Let's go down to the 1 minute, a lot easier to see. Going in, didn't tap into the 1 hour fair value yet, so I didn't want to take this inversion that I originally marked out on NAS. as this made a lower low, and then this also made a lower low on NAS. So it's like, okay, it's not trading into the 1 hour. We didn't make an SMT. Yes, there was an inversion, but it wasn't a very good inversion. So I was like, no, I see it going up, pushing. This is where the patient comes in, and not getting into the market too early, because if you got in right here for a buy and your TP was at my original Asia highs, whatever, all the way up here, as you can see, you would have got stopped out immediately, because that is manipulation. I kind of saw this SMT right here, this bearish SMT, as you can see at 936 and 1021. We had a lower low get formed, where on ES we had that higher high get formed. So I see this as the sweep. So there's the SMT right there, and then we also have this as a liquidity sweep as well. A lot of stuff on the chart, sorry for that. Liquidity sweep on US 500. I knew it wanted to go down first. Not that I knew, but it would have to have gone down and swept liquidity on either of the indices to then want to trade higher to take out that Asia high that I had marked out. So pretty much on NAS, I seen that. I seen the lower low get formed. We had the SMT, so I was looking for sells on NAS really quickly. I wasn't, again, looking for sells, but I was looking for buys. But if it presents itself and it's very clear to myself, I'm going to take it. We have this big move up. Count that as a liquidity sweep. As you can see, we have the accumulation. We have the distribution up, the sweep, and then this big, huge candle down. And I was like, okay, I'm going to look at US 500. I'm going to look at NAS and see, is there an SMT? Ended up being an SMT. This is clearly just a move up on US 500 to take out liquidity, to move on lower. So I seen that SMT. Inversion, didn't take the trade yet. I wanted to wait. I want to be patient. I want to make sure it was actually going to go lower first before then going up to take out those highs. Seen it come down, got into a sell, and I can show you on my TopStep account that it is actually a real trade. As you can see, RPNL 255, and you can go down here, 255 on the day. And as you can see here, it was a short on micro NQ. So it took short, lasted 2 minutes, took out that low, created an SMT on the US 500 to then go higher. Seen that as manipulation, inversion, and then yeah, I marked this out, but I didn't end up taking the trade because I already got the win for the day. I was up pretty good, and I didn't want to risk. Didn't want to risk it. Already got the win. Those are my rules. Sticking to the rules. So marked it out. Took it on the demo just to see if it would play out. Ended up playing out, and it was a good day. So yeah, kind of weird trade today, and lots of stuff on the charts. But that was the trade. Ended up taking a quick little sell. Had a buy opportunity. Didn't take it. Stuck to my rules. 1 win a day. That's all I need. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow for that. So appreciate y'all being here. It's the first kind of trade recap that I'm going to be posting. Won't be the best. Don't expect it to be the best. Don't expect anyone anywhere to understand anything I just said. But if I can help one person understand something a little bit better, that's all I care about. Plus, even if it helps no one, it's better for myself to go over it, talk about it, and learn from it. Because, yeah, recording yourself and talking about things and showing yourself and explaining things can definitely help, and especially journaling and stuff like that. It's kind of like a video journal rather than me just writing it down. So those were the trades for today. That was pretty much it. We'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Let's see. You think it's going to take out Asia highs? Probably not. Maybe lunchtime session. We'll see. It might take out, it already took out previous day highs, but yeah. Next draw is definitely the Asia highs. So let's see what happens when it hits Asia highs, and then probably all-time highs. It might honestly just pump all the way through Asia and get to all-time highs. Maybe tomorrow, maybe in 2 days, who knows? But we'll go from there once it happens. Appreciate y'all for being here. Thank you guys so much. If you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment if there's anything wrong, or yeah, if I'm just completely wrong and I have no idea what I'm talking about, let me know. And And I'll see you guys for the next trade recap tomorrow. Thank you guys.